Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, tech, and life. Yes, tech. We have tech in this episode. Yes. Now, this episode will just be mail time. It will be just me unboxing and sharing with you guys stuff that has been sent to the house over the last few weeks. They've been accumulating and I just want to share them with you guys. Now, make sure that you stay until the end of the video because I will be announcing a giveaway just specific to this vlog. So make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you are, hit that notification bell and make sure that you watch until the end so you see what is the giveaway for this vlog. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed yet, two more reasons why you should. Number one, we are giving away an Adidas ZX500 RM, brand new, dead stock. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG, hit the notification bell, and hit the link down below. Oh, and we're also giving away a 10,000 peso outlet shopping spree courtesy of me. Again, link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Let's start things off with tech because it's been a while since I last did a tech video. Woohoo! So this is the JBL Link 10. It's a voice-activated portable speaker which basically has Google Assistant inside it. Now, to those who don't know, Google Assistant first came out, of course, with Google Home. And over the last few months, they've actually rolled it out to more and more third-party brands and suppliers such as JBL. So the goal here is to be able to accelerate the speed of which we see smart homes as well as other devices of home control, of course using Google's ecosystem. Now let's just take a look at what's inside the box. I'll do a full review of this one in the coming days ahead. Thank you to JBL Philippines, by the way, for sending this over. So this is probably the nicest looking box I've ever seen from JBL. So it opens like that. It is magnetic, and when you open it, you have like some kids running around with like fireworks, and then JBL. It says here Link 10. And then if you just pop it open, you see the speaker wrapped in some sort of foam. So here you have it. This is a clean black speaker. This is the JBL Link 10. This has Google Assistant inside of it. So if you want to talk to it, like say, hey Google, play some music, you're supposed to link this with your phone. So yeah, cool speaker, cool remote control for your house. I will be doing a review of this soon. Thank you, JBL Philippines. Next up is from our friends over at Secret Fresh. If you guys don't know, this is the art gallery that DJ Big Boy Chang owns and operates. So this is something that I bought and I'm very excited to be able to share this with you guys because this is like my first piece of legit art. I don't know if you can even call it legit. Now I'll just pop it open so you guys can see. This is the Ben Cab New Era Secret Fresh collaboration cap. So this is what one of the caps look like. So there are 3 designs, and every time you buy the set, you get 3 caps for the set. You also get a nice box, which I'm still waiting for. So here you have it. It has the Philippine flag colors. You have the Ben Cab signature at the back. This is one design. This is the other design. So as you guys can see, this one has the blue color dominant at the front. This one has the red color, and we'll just show you the last of the set. This of course has the yellow up front of the cap. So here you have it, all 3 caps of the Ben Cab New Era Secret Fresh collection. If you want the set, it's actually a bit pricey. It is 39,000 pesos for the entire set, but to put it into context, Ben Cab's paintings go for millions. So I have no delusions that this will reach that price point. But I am a fan of streetwear culture, especially the Philippine scene, and I am a fan of Ben Cab. So yeah, it's nice. It's cool. So what will I do with this cap? I will be displaying it. It comes in a hard box. I will be putting it in my living room or office, who knows. But yeah, definitely stoked and happy to have this here. Thank you, DJ Big Boy Chang, for hooking me up with this set. And this just came in the mail. This is from our friends from Crep Protect Philippines. So as you guys can see, it's a giant package. And I am excited to see what's inside. So, well, first, let me just say thank you to the guys over at Crep Protect Philippines for taking care of your boy here. So, yeah. So here you have it. This is their Crep Protect Ultimate Shoe Care Pack. So as you guys can see, it comes with the Ultimate Cure Cleaning Kit, the Crep Protect Protection Spray, and it also has Crep Wipes. Now this box is actually being sold, so you can actually buy it. If I'm not mistaken, it sells for a little over like 1,600 or 1,700. I can't remember, but this is a limited edition box. It does have like all the essentials that you would want and you would need in keeping your sneakers clean. So yeah, thank you to the awesome folks of Crep Protect Philippines for sending this over. I will put this to good use. Hey, there's something here. So yeah, it's not yet done. So let's just open this. I have an idea what this is, but I won't spoil it for you guys. If you watch my previous vlog when me and Colin like unboxed a fun bunch of stuff that we... Yeah, this is it. This is the Crep trees. So this is the most, I don't know, luxe shoe tree that you guys can get because it is, you know, made from premium materials and like, as in it has like velvet at both sides of the shoe tree. So let's just get this out of the wrapper. So they sent me 2 packs. Each box of this actually has 2 pairs of shoe trees. So let's just pop it open so you guys can see what it looks like. Now you probably saw this already again if you saw the vlog with Colin. So here you have it. Each pack comes with 2. I think it sells for over 600 pesos. So for 600, you're paying for like 300 pesos per shoe tree. Now inside, you get 2 sets. One set is this one. It has like some sort of velvet, nubuck or whatever, like covering on this side as well as on the other side. So yeah, thank you again to the great folks of Crep Protect Philippines for sending this care pack over. To those who won the Crep Protect giveaway, wherein there were like 10 sneaker care kits, I did reach out to Crep Protect to follow up. They are in the process of shipping them over to you guys. So if you haven't received them yet, please do stay tuned. Watch out for it. It should be with you within the next few days. But we're not yet done. So we have more packages from Crep Protect Philippines. So let's just open this up. Again, I just want to... I'm sounding like a broken record, but I just want to say thank you to Crep Protect Philippines for, you know, taking care of us here on this channel by sponsoring our giveaway, sending this cool stuff over for me to unbox and share with you guys. Now, this one, I have no idea what it is. Oh! Wow! Wait, this one is nice. So, let me just... Oh, man, this is so cool. So, let me just... Yeah! Wow! So, friends, we have limited edition. This is like their crep spray, so it keeps your sneakers protected from stains and water. It's in partnership with the NBA. So this is the Nets, this is the Chicago Bulls. You have one for the Miami Heat. We have one for the Knicks. We have one for the Celtics. And of course, we have one for the Lakers. So you have like 6 teams. They have like, you know, different cover, different, you know, packaging depending on the team. And wow, this is so cool. And they sent a lot. I mean, this is one set. So let's take a look at this one. So there are like 3 packages. So let's open this one up and see what's inside. Yeah. This is so much fun. I used to live for this when I was still doing unboxes, like a tech site, and I would come home and I would have like boxes of smartphones and speakers and headphones, power banks to open and, you know, do the tech site that I was running. Now it's turned to sneaker protection care stuff. But anyway, if you guys want more tech content, please do check out unbox.ph as well as unbox.ph's YouTube channel. I'm still very much involved in that, guys. I'm not the face anymore, but yeah, I have a team running that. So it's the same set. So this is the Knicks. Yeah, so it's a pack of 6. So it's the same set of teams. And we have one more, which is another set of 6 sprays. That's a lot of sprays. Whatever shall we do with all of these sprays? Alam na this. It's time for another giveaway. Wow, I'm doing so many giveaways. That's crazy. But anyway, so all you have to do is to leave a comment down below of your favorite NBA team for this season and why. And I will be drawing the winner the same time I draw the winners for the Adidas ZX500 RM. So that will be actually, I think, this Sunday or Monday. So yeah, now what we'll be doing is we will be picking a total of 6 winners. So 1 winner per can. So we'll give away 1 winner gets 1 can each. And then for the other set, I might give it away on Instagram. So make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram so that you see the mechanics when I upload them. Man, I just really have to do this before we end this vlog because I've been wanting to try this on, but it will probably depreciate in value if I do. But hey, if you un-DS sneakers, let's un-DS this cap. So this is the Ben Cab New Era Secret Fresh collaboration. What's up? That's it for this vlog. Peace. God bless.